Hey everyone, I'm Emerald at Lumber Capital Log Yard, back for another video with Woodworker's Journal. This time we're going to be talking all about hemlock and its uses. Let's get into it. Eastern hemlock, Latin name Tsuga canadensis, is an evergreen conifer that can be found in abundance all over the northeastern United States and Canada. And boy, have we milled a lot of it on this sawmill. Here at the log yard, we focus on hemlock as our primary lumber product. It might surprise you to hear just how useful hemlock can be for outdoor projects. Because of its bug and rot resistant properties, hemlock can withstand the test of time quite well. This makes it a great choice for siding, fences, and decking, and much more. What's even better about hemlock is that it's roughly the same price as pine, which makes it a lot more affordable than buying hardwood while still getting something that withstands a little better than pine. Thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to see you next time.